In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play against bots in Overwatch 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to customize a match so you can play against bots in Overwatch 2. It is very simple, and the match is entirely customizable. You will be able to change aspects about the bots, the difficulty of the match, and the map, all other things. All that you have to do is go over to play, and in here at the right side of the screen, you have two options related to bots, which I believe are worth exploring. You have custom games, which is what I'm going to be showcasing, but you also have training. If you want to, you can just go in here, practice versus AI, and you will be able to get a match going against AI controlled heroes. I'm going to display this, and then I'm going to go back into the play selection window, and I'm going to showcase custom game, but this is something to consider if you want to play against AI. Now, if we go back here and we select custom games, we will be able to tap create, and now we can set up parameters about this match. So as you can see, we can make it invite only if you just want to play exclusively by yourself, but you can make it friends only or even everyone to have other people join. At the top right corner of the screen, you will be able to find Add AI, and this does exactly what the name suggests. You will be able to add specific heroes or set this as recommended row AI, and they will be able to select accordingly. You will then be able to change the difficulty between beginner all the way up to aimbot, and as soon as you change the difficulty and the amount, you will be able to select the team and add the bots. Immediately, they will all be loaded into the match, so you can go ahead and select start. Now the game will load and everyone will be assigned to the specific team, and you will be able to play against bots. Of course, you can have your friends join you and all of you will be able to play together with and against bots, or you can play by yourself, it doesn't matter. As soon as the game is ready to start, everyone will load in and you will be able to play together. According to the difficulty of the bots, you will have a harder or easier experience, and you can control those bots individually. You will be able to change the amount, so you could unbalance the teams if you want to challenge. For example, you can do you and your friend against 5 bots, or you alone versus 5, and see how well you do, and it is super simple to set up. I hope I was able to help you on how to play against bots in Overwatch 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.